Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Instagram Threads app. The first thing you will need to do is install the app. To install the Threads app, you'll need to open your App Store. Then from there you could search for Threads and Instagram app and you'll simply tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to tap on open. And after selecting open, you will see the option to use the same username to log in using your Instagram account. You can simply tap on that. Once you have done that, you will see the option to add the persons that you're currently following on Instagram. So you can also follow them on the Thread app. The first thing that I will be showing you about this app is to comment. And to comment, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the post that you'd like to comment on. Then you can tap on the reply icon. And with Threads, you'll be able to comment photos or videos. So let's say in this comment section, I would like to add a photo. All I would need to do is simply tap on the attachment icon. Once you have tapped on the attachment icon, it will automatically open up your photo galleries. If it does not open up your photo galleries, all you'll need to do is go into settings. Then you are going to search for Threads. And all you'll need to do is tap on photos, and from there you can toggle on access. You can either give it access to all photos or only selected photos. Once you are given the app access, you can go back into the app. So let's say I wanted to comment this photo. All I would have to do is tap on it, then tap on done. Then from there I could select post and the photo would be post. And you can also choose who can reply to your comments by simply tapping right where you see anyone can reply. You could select profiles you follow, so only persons that you follow would be able to comment, or you can select mentioned only. Once you're finished, you'll tap on post, and you can also do this with videos as I was saying. And if you would like to comment, for example, a YouTube video, you can also do that. So let's say, for example, I go into YouTube and I would like to comment this video. All I would have to do is tap on share, then tap on copy link. Once I've copied the link, I would go back into the Threads app. Then I'll simply paste the link right here. So you're going to paste the link and you're going to see the thumbnail of the video. Then you'll simply tap on post and the link is now clickable. So if someone were to click on the thumbnail or the link, they would be redirected to the YouTube video. So now that I've shown you how to comment, I will also show you how to block someone. So let's say, for example, I would like to block this profile. All you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, right above their profile pic. Then from there, you will see the option to block. You could tap on block. Or if you would like to mute them and not block them, you could tap on mute. Or if you would like to restrict a certain person, you could simply tap on restrict. And if you would like to share someone's profile, all you'll need to do is tap on copy link, or you could tap on share via. Now that I've shown you how to do that, let me show you how to edit your profile page. First, you'll tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on the profile icon, you could select edit profile. From there, you can add your bio, or you could import your bio from Instagram. You can also add links by simply tapping on link. Again, let me try and see if we could add our YouTube link right there. You can see that you can add a YouTube video link, or you could import links from Instagram also. Once you have finished, you could tap on done. And you can also make your profile page private if you want. So you can see right there, it goes directly to the YouTube video. So you can add your YouTube video link right there if you want. And you can also make your profile page private if you want, also by simply turning on private profile. And also, if you would like to view the liked posts that you have liked before, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the heart right there. Then from there, you can see persons that have followed you. You can also view your replies. You can also view your mentions, and you can tap on verified right there. And by tapping on the two dashes in the top right hand corner, you will get access to your settings. So from there, you can set up your privacy. Again, you can decide who you would like to add you as mentions. You can select no one. You can leave it at only persons that you follow or everyone. You can also view muted profiles, and you can unmute profiles right there. And you can also see all the profiles that you follow. So you can search the profiles that you follow right there, and you can also view your followers, and you can view pending followers, as you can see right there. And next thing that you can also do, you can hide your likes. By tapping on hide likes, it will automatically open up Instagram, and you could simply toggle off hide likes, or you can turn on hide likes. And if you don't like the Trends app and you would like to deactivate it, you can deactivate it without deactivating your Instagram account. And to do that, all you'll need to do is open Threads, and again, you're going to tap on your profile icon. Once you have tapped on the profile icon, you're going to tap on the two dashes in the top right hand corner, and then you're going to select account. After selecting account, you will see the option deactivate profile. You're going to tap on that, and all you'll need to do is tap on deactivate at the bottom of the page. And you can see that by deactivating your Threads profile, it does not affect your Instagram account. So although both platforms are tied for the most part, with this you'll be able to deactivate your account without deactivating your Instagram account. You can also take breaks on the app by tapping on take a break. So if you would like to take a break every 10 minutes, you can set it at every 10 minutes. If you would like to take a break every 20 minutes or every 30 minutes, you can also do that. And if you would like to view other account settings, all you will need to do is tap on other account settings, and it is going to automatically open up Instagram, as a lot of the features or settings that are on Instagram also affect your Trends account. So for example, if you were to set up the notifications on Instagram, it will also affect the Trends account. And that's basically it. So hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. And by the way, this is how to access logout. All you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on the two dashes in the top right hand corner and select log out.